Hello friends, welcome to all of you again in a new video of Tech Machine. Friends, so in which video are you going to watch today? Your favorite beer manufacturing process, how this beer is made in the factory, and how is it mixed? You taste this beer in a wonderful way, and at the same time eat it with a lot of fun while tasting. So today, we are going to tell your favorite beer in a video. So start the video without any delay. Every great beer starts with the malting process. Barley grains are soaked in water to begin germination, which activates enzymes that break down starches into fermentable sugars. 1. Steeping. Barley grains are soaked in water to absorb moisture. 2. Germination. The grains are spread out and allowed to sprout, activating enzymes that will later convert starches into fermentable sugars. 3. Kilning. The sprouted grains are dried in large kilns to stop germination and develop the malt's flavor. The temperature during kilning determines the color and flavor of the malt, impacting the beer style. After a few days, the sprouted grains are dried in kilns to produce malt. This malt will be the backbone of the beer. Next, the wort is separated from the solid grains through a process called lautering. Then it's time for the boil. The wort is boiled for about an hour while hops are added. These hops give the beer its signature bitterness and aroma. Once fermentation is complete, the beer is transferred to conditioning tanks to mature. During this stage, it develops its final flavor and carbonation. After that, it's filtered to remove any remaining yeast or sediments. Mashing temperatures are carefully controlled. Higher temperatures result in a sweeter beer, while lower temperatures produce a drier beer. After mashing, the wort is separated from the spent grains in a process called lautering. Lautering is the process of separating the liquid wort from the solid grain husks. The spent grains are often repurposed as animal feed or for other uses. During sparging, hot water is sprayed over the grain bed to extract as much sugar as possible, ensuring none goes to waste. Hops are the spice of beer. They balance the sweetness of the malt with bitterness and contribute floral, citrus, or piney aromas. Adding hops early in the boil increases bitterness, while late additions enhance aroma. Using a heat exchanger to a temperature ideal for fermentation, usually between 10 to 20 degrees. Fermentation times vary depending on the beer style. Ales ferment at warmer temperatures, 15 to 24 degrees C, and take about a week, while lagers ferment at cooler temperatures, 7 C or 13 degrees C, and require several weeks to months. After primary fermentation, the beer is conditioned or matured in specialized tanks. This process refines the flavor, removes unwanted compounds, and naturally carbonates the beer. For some beers, artificial carbonation may also be added. The beer is then filtered to remove any remaining yeast or particles. In some cases, breweries use pasteurization to extend shelf life. This involves heating the beer briefly to kill any microbes without affecting the flavor. And finally, it's packaging time. The beer is filled into bottles, cans, or kegs, and every batch is rigorously tested for quality. Labels are added, and the beer is ready to ship out to stores, bars, and restaurants. Many breweries also add unique touches at this stage, like special packaging or designs for seasonal or limited edition beers. That's the incredible journey of beer, from grain to glass. Every step in the process is a blend of art and science, resulting in the amazing variety of beers we enjoy. If you love this behind-the-scenes look, hit the like button, comment with your favorite beer style, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content.